Yamwachi biem samu kwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumadie no so yeda Apostle Dr. Ni Tekuti Gwase eni nkranhye nsem de edu so no ye kase ne etodwa wo bi a wo betini yato aba wie ama bosome mienu mpo munie nanso posters no ne ade eguso awowo mu san na kasa kire wona edi nkunim ene wona edi ntwo mu no ye de honsem no ebebro Mampeni John Dramani Mahama so oral report no jemu de ama aban lawyer penny so wonye ne ho adwuma bia nso onye no ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTuber Adom TV 2 kwadomonline.com nsem weni bebre nso ewo ho mididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de nsem ni kiremo ankasa etie Oman Ghana kwa akoto abanfempino ene aduonu enan no mu December bosome ne na etosonson nansa na ebedu hokra no posters ne banners ahodo na edi ehim ewo mayimo won kran ha yabo aporo akwa akohwe yato awie wona edi nkunim eteso wona edi twonso eto awonyuma ahodo ano won yansa no wo ba aban mu na no mu no adehye no mu bi no se no wo musi ehu ne fa na emunsam no tesei Adom TV kase etwaso
me kwa madwin shede man nsane ho ni owini yanji fans o ni boss wa ni nje ni olusu yesu hu a na hu ni mistakes o ye man lusu ye nti ensinsan ho
oh say ya to aba na bia ehu hia se be sinsin kromim as say be say hu se de aba na all time obi hu posters na the kuma etimi ba nti etimi yi free ho ma ebetimi aboy nyina yin free ho na hu hia bi
posters na sinsan ba no ho de ankan ha wadwene biara de awu ankan ha wadwene etare ho ama sabita frache enye adwuma bi ama obiara nti waran ko se de kokopa ho asem da na ebenya asem na anka tita ho de any problem bia
Francis Dadzi, a lead consultant at Wada MP Consult Limited ano. Kani binu ono eno ye executive director Wada Advertising Association of Ghana ano. Wachemu se
emibia 4 years bia damadisi. Impoma baby only de wodi embrakra emakwanda wodi bill was election obia and obia watch a hand because ni party ni no MC na MC you know in the assembly no tuma also na catch Memphis one could be so kwanu kwama catch no dey so no so wadan wenyi ahwe baby ebia sabi engineer or assembly hono is an embarrassing oguye huma say ogo man ni mase there today a minor say you need man they mount all this things without permit. There is a fine in the bylaws. They are not implementing it.
John Dramani Mahama de ato Attorney General ni mo se ora for report no anensa ka no onye na mu hwehwe mu bia no onye niane ho bo mu bia no e wo semra no eni ne die na etimi abrase se de adehye bi e de omenye japade eto atopre edi mu sika no ne ade no we ebekire na etwasa ne ma no so Adom kase etwaso.
I have promptly handed over the reports to the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, and I give him firm instructions to commence immediate investigations into the cases reported in here with a view to prosecuting anyone found liable for corruption or related offenses. To those who think they can defraud the state and escape justice, let this serve as a strong warning. Ghana is no longer a safe haven for corruption. To those who stand for integrity, accountability, and the rule of law, I assure you that this government remains your steadfast partner in building a nation where honesty and hard work are rewarded.
Mampeni John Dramani Mahama kasa yemu no de atuja se ehu behia semanfo nyina ebeka wo ho abomu se de beya se adwuma a wahyase no obetumi awie.
The findings of this report make for sober reading. They reveal the scale of financial leakages that have cost our nation dearly. Resources that should have been invested in education, healthcare, infrastructure, and social development. But they also offer hope that through our collective efforts, we can reclaim what is ours and deter future acts of economic sabotage. As we receive this report, let me assure the Ghanaian people that the work does not end here.
Development Communications expert now was a Dean, Faculty of Integrated Communication Science, or University of Media Arts and Communication, Dr. Daniel Odum. Ebomampeni abaso chiremu se ne nefu aduasa wo office no so de ne eto nsaniani a ohamu nchemu adu wo de wabɔ no homodin ewo mu pa fi se ne nsɛm bi okeka ye 2024 election ne mu no wafrase edi bi ho edwuma nsɛm no eni
His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama ne first 30 days in office no. I think so far it's good in my view. So far it's good because ne social contracts are one of the bases are campaign on Ghana for Ghana to Abamona. The number of things are within I think 120 days in Obo there obey. Of course, actually be today having a lean government. Actually appointment why so far. BBR did that today. He's living up to that expectation in terms of having a lean government. Now, actual fund and other things be today, the national economic dialogue of 4 million. Also, within the 30 days, at least we are trying to have a full understanding of the state of the economy and measures are on here there you put in place to turn things around. I think it's in order. I don't know to chance a few days ago, so you see the formation of the I think 8-member committee for National Education Forum, and also 1 year dialogue on educational issues with the free SHS featuring so strongly in the issues. And from a scale of 1 to 10, 1 to 10, Maman be 8. Must call A, at least within the first 30 days. No appointments now that 1 year now. Other measures are we put in place. It all feeds into the fact that within the first 30 days, a number of measures now we now also
Majority Chief Whip Parliament Nelson Roxon Dafeamekpor say now no that 30th January no. The course of vetting appointment committee may we actually pay that table so no near the no or J a home phone swooning in Alpha Adom Kase etwaso.
We had an indication that they were having a caucus meeting, and so they slated 10 a.m. for start. We couldn't. They came to say that they were having a caucus meeting. So when they eventually came for us to start, it was quite past the 10 a.m.
Chief Whip, you are a principal officer in this house.
Yes.
Are you proud of what happened on that day?
Well, not at all. And I take responsibility. So when my punishment came, I took it in good faith. Others disagreed that essentially punishment were to be meted out. It ought not to be me. But I agree in principle that you need to punish the leaders for what happened. Consensus building failed for that night. If my counterparts were not minded to be insistent on his modus operandi for that day, would he have experienced that?
Inti committee na wo ye nhwehwemu afa appointment committee basabasa ye course so ewo ho no ye ad hoc committee Oma wie won mo ensemo no wo mu se kokuma na ameka won mo de nanso wa wie ode ho nsem komampanifo na wode ho afutuo aba
materials everything Badwam have presented a very good report, though the other side Oman participated and also we captured in the report or heard the reason more at the mind the entire almost want to manual. No, GDA say was a chairman because chairman I'm making interview be a movie say I a bit biased. But we did say interview making an officer said it was a chair program now we are interested why any bias or any entire speaker and report taken out from there. Mr. Report now the candidate speaker. Parliament security in terms of security, many expert. But me and who be say never be brave I will say it me and almost no alliance almost are requested for name maybe a bit my boy one. Also government will have to provide those things and bit my boy more with my own. What about call I need job 600 offer lift on the ground. At times a bit scary. Wait maybe you know will be a share or lift more. At times a bit scary. It's a secret in there. There's a lot. Yeah, me did say I was a bandit me and all the boy. Marshal and almost so much provide good security or parliament.
Enra yenya ntie senkwanhia biasi amani patwo na nanom nsedo wakwu danten ye no won kokko empotemo ho eno nanam so municipal fire commander won kokko ye dio 2 Samuel Mante ene adom kase di nkoma nipa 9 dia munum ho na no woto na nanom nsedo na emema miensa ene oba baako wafa kwanya isodi afutuo ene ma hyenkafo efakumase ene nkran kwantempon no so ene dim onto wombo e wa hyenkem
non mienu ene fa ena yesaka distress call say accident bi asiwo danten e nkoko danten ntintempa na mobilize men no ena ye rush to the scene na ye call di hu say ahyen miensa VIP baako ena anwea ka 2 trucks ena enya head on collision na ne kotu ye ne say in fact na nipa prepare no na bebre na unfortunately na on the spot nipa omo film and also omo wu no omo do omo ye nan ye rescue SPT omo ayi omo we no e say me ma miensa na oba baako omo de amunum kwa na omo ewuye na omo prepare ne so no with the help of Ghana Police Service and National Ambulance Service, it immobilized call the nearby hospital, Holy Family Hospital. Just to speak, na just nearby any day, no passing money, na a debia, na fat having kakra. Because we are saying, when she and buy and can credit bema and a GDC a beer, nanka motini avoid. We can one impre no suni ene jato techiman edwanimo na bia eto kane no nye ho ene ne esato ye no na ese ne fa ba bi ene jano esato honom na no kwasi den ena de chinye edwadifo ko ho ko hwehwe ni aka wo betumi de aye bibie e madom kase ko ho eto so
na nama ashe wa han yentibe mboskardi we ametibe men nama ashe namno as you share the paper 2020 contain paper 2020 paper bear 12 million the paper 2020 a horror 4 na dey so 5 million there and also 20 ba ko meme dey na make ko but me no ana mo dey Canada dey nam ama na so ni ya se me duru akwa ko bisa se me ne ma nto mo ntime yi wan bag bia no mo so ni ma ni ya be ito wana me dey collapse mudin so gumi so anti mani tete me na me da fi nche ya nyahwe ya nfa wa de na oton eto nkruma sam tini na ashe ye nyeme ewa pateni mu nyina se me ton aburu eni so bolu se ke so bolu na mo fe ni silo no ana hanu so dodo na obia ne nyema wa den oton bi ton nam bi ton beans bi ton katie bi num so ton motor. So what I say, into a more when you must pass on the year and I'm for man. And now for money, summa your home by a sense more mopa, and now for no more drona julu and on the year Juma.
Aminia no Adom TV, Badwam kase na ha na medisi aseda ya odia emreni adaje a wode maye. Wadaroma, ye kwa ba de ubon krata no ene online de na to so. Twen ye.